My dear children, welcome back. Hope you all are good. In the previous class, we learned about the story, The Race. Now, we are going to do 4 interesting activities in connection with our lesson, The Race. Are you ready? Okay, very well. Do you remember the last class? In the last class, there was an assignment for you to write the character sketch of Tarun, isn't it? The first activity is to make a word verb. This will be helpful for you to write the character sketch of Tarun. Now, teacher will help you to pick some words from the story to best describe Tarun. The first word is 12-year-old. 12-year-old. തരുണിന് 12 വയസ്സായിരുന്നു പ്രായം. The second word is mediocre. Mediocre. What do you mean by mediocre? I think you all know that. Mediocre means average. So, Tarun was an average student. Isn't it? Okay, very good children. The third word is black sheep. Black sheep. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് തരുണിനെ black sheep of the family എന്ന് വിളിക്കാൻ കാരണം? Yes. When compared to Tarun's brother, he was an average. And Tarun's brother always proud of the family. So, he considered himself as the black sheep of the family. The fourth word is fastest runner. Fastest runner. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാമല്ലോ, ഫാസ്റ്റസ്റ്റ് റണ്ണർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏറ്റവും വേഗതയിലുള്ള ഓട്ടക്കാരിയാണ്. ഓക്കേ? Let's move to the story. Who identified the skill of Tarun? Yes, Ram Narayan. Ram Narayan identified the skill of Tarun. And the last word is hard working. Hard working. Kadinadhwanam. When Ram Narayan told that he is ready to train Tarun if he wins the race, from that moment he started working very hard. Let's recall the words we have previously discussed. നാം ഇപ്പോൾ പഠിച്ച പദങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നമുക്ക് ഓർത്തു നോക്കിയാലോ? Are you ready? 12-year-old. Mediocre. Black sheep. Fastest runner. Hard working. Now, we are in a position to complete the following word verb correctly. After that, you should send the word verb to your resource teacher. Do you do? Okay. Now, we are ready to write a good character sketch of Tarun. Are you confident? Yes, very well. Character sketch of Tarun. Tarun was a 12-year-old mediocre student. He thought of himself as the black sheep of the family. but he was an excellent runner. He was determined to become the fastest runner in the world. He practiced very hard to win the race. We can move to another activity. Conversation. എന്താണ് കോൺവെർസേഷൻ? രണ്ടോ അതിലധികമോ വ്യക്തികൾ തമ്മിലുള്ള സംഭാഷണത്തെയാണ് കോൺവെർസേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, അല്ലേ? Try to make a conversation between Tarun and Ramnarayan. Are you ready? The situation is Tarun first met Ramnarayan in the park. Look at the figure. Here, Ramnarayan asked Tarun that, "Who is your coach?" ഇവിടെ രാംനാരായൺ തരുണിനോട് ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്, ആരാണ് നിന്റെ കോച്ച്? നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് ചിന്തിക്കൂ. അപ്പോൾ തരുൺ എന്തായിരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക? ഈസ് തരുൺ ഹാവ് എ കോച്ച്? തരുണിന് ഒരു പരിശീലകൻ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നോ? നോ. Then what may be the answer of Tarun? I don't have a coach, sir. I don't have a coach, sir. Okay? Then Ramnarayan replied that, "Oh, no professional training yet? I will train you." അപ്പോൾ രാംനാരായൺ മറുപടി പറഞ്ഞു, ഇതുവരെ വിദഗ്ധ പരിശീലനം ലഭിച്ചിട്ടില്ലേ, ഞാൻ നിന്നെ പരിശീലിപ്പിക്കാം. അതിനുശേഷം രാംനാരായൺ എന്തായിരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക? If then what? What will Ramnarayan say? Ramnarayan said this, "You do what I say. You do what I say." ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് പോലെ നീ ചെയ്യുക. Tarun accepting the deal by saying, "Sir, I will do it." രാംനാരായൺ തരുണിന് മുന്നിൽ ഒരു ഉപാധി വെക്കുന്നു. തരുൺ അത് അംഗീകരിക്കുന്നു. I think it's clear for you. Very good, children. The next activity is to make a notice. I think all of you have seen notices. Look at this. This is a notice about Children's Day. It's look neat and beautiful, isn't it? In our everyday life, we have seen many programs. A good example is our school annual day program. When was your school annual day? Can you remember the date? At least, in which month was the previous annual day program held? Okay, I hope many of you know the correct date. How will we know about the date, venue, and the time and schedule of the program? Yes, of course. Every student will receive a notice about the program before the date, isn't it? In my schooling days, when I get such notices about annual day PTA meeting from school, I gave it to my parents. So, what will happen? My parents also know about the program. അപ്പോൾ നാം നടത്താൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്ന പരിപാടിയുടെ സമയവും സ്ഥലവും തീയതിയുമൊക്കെ പൊതുജനങ്ങളെ അറിയിക്കുന്നതിനാണ് നോട്ടീസ് തയ്യാറാക്കുന്നത്. ശരിയല്ലേ? So, we can make a notice related to our lesson, the race. Imagine there was a racing competition had conducted at Nehru Stadium on 14th November 10 a.m. Now, let's try to make a notice of these racing competition on which Tarun had participated. Now, we can try to understand the structure of a notice. ആദ്യമായി നമ്മൾ ഇതൊരു നോട്ടീസ് ആണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ നോട്ടീസ് എന്ന ടൈറ്റിൽ കൊടുക്കണം. പിന്നീട് നോട്ടീസ് ഇറക്കുന്ന സ്ഥാപനത്തിന്റെ പേര് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി ആൻ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ ഓർ സ്കൂൾസ് ആൻഡ് സോ ഓൺ. ഇവിടെ ലക്നൗ ഗവൺമെന്റ് ഹൈസ്കൂൾ ആണ് റേസിംഗ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ നടത്തുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഗവൺമെന്റ് ഹൈസ്കൂൾ ലക്നൗ എന്ന് ചേർക്കണം. Then write the name of the event. What is that? Racing competition. അതിനുശേഷം നടത്താൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്ന പരിപാടിയെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള ഒരു ചെറു വിവരണം തയ്യാറാക്കണം. ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കൂ. This is hereby informed that our club decided to organize a racing competition for boys and girls under 14 years old. അതായത് ചിൽഡ്രൻ ഡേയിൽ 14 വയസ്സ് താഴെ പ്രായമുള്ള ആൺകുട്ടികൾക്കും പെൺകുട്ടികൾക്കുമായി ഒരു ഓട്ട മത്സരം നടത്താൻ നമ്മുടെ ക്ലബ്ബ് തീരുമാനിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. The following part is very important in a notice. What are they? Date, time and venue. തീയതിയും സമയവും സ്ഥലവും. When is the date of the racing competition? That is on 14th November 2019. What is the time? It's 10 a.m. Where is the place or venue? This is at Nehru Stadium. Okay. Then we can provide additional information about the event. What is the additional information here? That is, those who are interested may register their name on or before 7th November to the club authority. Then, don't forget to write the name of the authority who issued the notice. Here, it's Secretary of the Children Club. At last, in the bottom side, you should write the date and place of the notice prepared. Okay, children? Notice: Government High School, Lucknow. Race competition. This is hereby informed that our club decided to organize a racing competition for boys and girls under 14 years old on behalf of Children's Day. Details given below. Date 14th November 2019. Time 10 a.m. Venue Nehru Stadium. Those who are interested may register their names on or before 7th November to the authority. Secretary, Children Club, Lucknow, 17th October. Now, let's go through the content of the notice. Where would be the competition going to held? മത്സരം എവിടെയാണ് നടന്നത്? It may be at Nehru Stadium, Kochi. Nehru Stadium, Kochi. Then, when will be the competition going to held? എപ്പോഴാണ് മത്സരം നടന്നത്? On 14th November 10 a.m. Then, what is the name of the event? ഇവന്റിന്റെ പേരെന്തായിരുന്നു? Race on Children's Day. I think it's clear that all the activity we have done. Once again, we can recall today's session. What was the first activity? We studied word verb. After that, what we did? We write a character sketch using words which we had studied earlier. Then we write a simple conversation between Ramnarayan and Tarun. What was the last activity? We have prepared a notice on race competition. Now, let's conclude the class with an assignment. Collect pictures of sports and games events from the newspaper and paste it in your old notebook to make a sports album. After completing it, take a photo and share it with your resource teacher. Thank you. See you next time.